I'm Mrs. Visalaj, working as a teacher in Trinity Matriculation High Secondary School, Namakkal. In this session, we are going to discuss 7th Standard GK, Chapter 49, When the Earth Trembles. Earth crust is made up of tectonic plates. The boundaries of these plates constructing collide against each other, creating pressure points within the crust. When the pressure is suddenly released at the particular point, earthquake occur. Most earthquakes prone regions are situated on plate boundaries. Earthquake also occur along fractions in the earth crust called faults. Fiery ring. The ring of fire is a zone of frequent earthquakes and volcanoes increased the basin of the Pacific Ocean. The west coast of North and South America, Alaska, Russia's Kamchatka Peninsula, Japan, Mariana Trench, and Philippines, Indonesia, and New Zealand lie on the ring. The epicenter of an earthquake is the point on the Earth's surface that is directly above the focus, the point from which the seismic waves radiate. Deep and shallow. An earthquake is shallow if the focus is less than 50 km brain, the epicenter, and deep if the focus is more than 200 kilometers below. Deep earthquakes are felt over greater distance than shallow one, but the latter are more destructive. Measuring earthquakes. An earthquake is detected by seismography that records the seismic waves. The Richter scale measures its magnitude. A 2 unit increasing means over 900 times increase in related energy. Thus, 8.9 is 79 million times stronger than 1.0. Morsel scale measures the intensity of an earthquake or the amount of damage it causes on a scale from 1 to 12. Tsunami. When an earthquake of a higher intensity occurs on the ocean floor, it may give rise to large, destructive waves in the ocean called tsunami. Next, chapter 51, History's Mysteries. One of the greatest discovery of modern times are the Dead Sea Scrolls. They were found stored in a jar in the Qumran caves on the shores of the Dead Sea between 1947 and 1956. The scroll are the oldest surviving manuscript of the Hebrew Bible. They are estimated to have been written between 200 BCE and 68 EC. In 19,000, device salvaging in 2000-year-old wreck of the coast of Greek island brought up the bronze clock-like device with an ancient inscription. The Athikratam mechanism, as it was named, was about half of the size of portable typewriter. It was only in 1975 that scientists concluded that the device was a kind of a computer used to calculate the movement of the sun, moon, and planets. How such a complex device was made at the time when technological known how was limited is something no one has been able to explain. Next one, and Vikings and Saxon kings were often burned in ship along with the objects which were believed to be needed in the afterlife, such as cooking pots, weapons, and ornaments. In 1939, the remains of a 7th century Anglo Saxon van ship were unearthed at the village named Sutton Hoo in England. He was the richest Burmese ship found in the northern Europe. However, there were no body in it. Maybe the acidic soil had dissolved it, but human remains were found elsewhere at the same site. It is surmised that the burial belonged to a retired king of East Anglia who died in 624 CE. His region coincided with the age of artifacts found in the ship. In this session, we discussed when the earth trembled and historians' miseries. Thank you.